everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm with the lovely Bailey, she's back. If you're looking for perfect ponytail styles, we've got two coming your way. Really easy, really quick. Let's get started. So for transparency guys, I've washed Bailey's hair, dried it, and then I have used Lala's prep tool, which puts a fine crimp on the hair. Just makes the hair thicker, easier to work with for the video, but you don't need it if you haven't got one. Okay, so you're going to take your hair from the ear. I'm just going to go all the way up to the top, like so. And then exactly the same on the other sides, down to the ear again. It hasn't got to be a perfect straight line, guys, because the hair is going to be covering it. And then for now, guys, just kind of clip this hair out the way so it isn't bothering you. And then I'm going to grab this part of the hair and just put a bobble in, or hair tie, or I heard someone on TikTok call it something really strange the other day. So let me know what you call your bobbles, because there's lots of words for it. Okay, that's that bit done. So we're going to release this hair like so. If you feel like it's a little bit crazy, a little bit fly away, use a little bit of gel or hairspray or water. I'm going to be using Sexy Hair Wax Spray. So we've got all this hair together. I'm going to break it into three, guys. You're just going to do a normal 3-strand plait, okay? And I have got these styles inspiration from Instagram, so I will put in the description where I saw them. So just a 3-strand plait, super simple. I'm going to go a little bit past where the bobble is, where the ponytail sits. I'm going to pop an elastic in there, so that elastic goes in. I've just made a little hole, so there's 2 strands this side, 1 strand that side. I'm just going to gently pull that through, tighten from the back. Now, looks a little bit plain, but bear with me for a second. We're going to take the edges of this braid and just gently pull it. And just to make sure that this bit doesn't kind of sit separately, I'm just going to push that up, get another elastic, and just join them together like that. Push that elastic up so we can't see it. I'm going to go back to these bits, tease it out, make it nice and big and messy. And you can also kind of move these bits as well, so you can keep it all neat and smart and smooth, or you can go in and just kind of tease these sections up to just give it a softer look if you want to. So that is style number 1 done. We're going to go to style number 2. Okay, so second style, another quick one. I'm just going to take a slice of hair from the front, and Bailey Belshaw is going to hold it for me. Thank you, Bailey. And on this side, guys, exactly the same. Again, Bailey Belshaw, are you ready to do your part? Hold. Thank you. Yeah. So we're just going to use a bit of wax spray just to tame down any flyaways, and we're going to pop this hair into a ponytail. So another quick spray of the wax spray on these sections. These 2 sections, guys, you're going to cross them over like that. So they're crossed at the back. Cross them over again, so you've got like a nice little sort of knot shape like that. And then we're going to come underneath the ponytail, taking hold of an elastic, pinching round the back. So that elastic just gets tied underneath. Slightly tighten it like that. So you can see that you've just got this really, really cute little knot shape at the back. How quick and simple was that? If you like this style, go and check out Bailey's other video. It's had 8 million views, hasn't it, Bailey? Our bun style. It's a 2-minute bun. It's your favourite style, so go and check it out.